If you're new to Unreal Engine and did wonder how people create those beautiful images for the portfolio, stick around. Today I will show you the best way on how to create high-res screenshots you can use for your portfolio. So I opened up an old project of mine in Unreal Engine. I think it is on my portfolio if I'm not wrong. And it's nothing fancy, just a few backdrop mountains and some mega scans in the foreground, just put together into a nice scene, a winter scene. And now the question is, so if I want to render that for my portfolio, how do I get some nice looking shots? And for that, you need two things. You need a cinematic camera and you need a screenshot tool. A cinematic camera is under the get content, under cinematics, and then camera actor. I already created a few. So let me enter the camera. I know it's this one here, and then I just go under perspective and it should be camera 1, yeah. Now I have a nice shot, and if you want to know how to control the camera and all of that stuff, drop me a comment. That could be an interesting video for you guys. But let's say you know how to do all of that, and now we just want to get a nice looking shot. For that we just need to click the 3 little bars in the top left corner, and then we have the high resolution screenshot window. And most of the people just say, well, enter your multiplier and then hit capture. But in fact, you can do a little bit more in here. So first of all, you can adjust the multiplier. I wouldn't go over 4 because then you get a really high res image and it can take a time to render that out. But you can also add custom depth mask. You can render all the individual buffers you have in Unreal Engine, and you can add a timestamp. Something else nobody's really talking about is this little button on the top left here. And with that, you can click it and then just drag and drop the area and adjust it where you want your image to render. So let's say I don't want this grayed out stuff on the top left and on the top. I just want maybe a part of this log. So I just drag that and then I accept this. And if I now hit capture, only this region will be rendered. But then you can click it again and you can just put it to a whole window, or you can just drag a new area wherever you want to have it. And you can adjust the area even after dragging it, like so. So now we would have like the full frame, like the full camera view rendered. And after that, you just hit capture. But let's say I just want the, let me put it to full screen. I just want the full log rendered, so I don't need a specific area. I just hit capture. And then in the lower right corner, you get a pop-up. And if you click this pop-up window, you get to the saved screenshots Windows editor folder in your project where all your screenshots are saved. And now you have a beautiful looking screenshot. And if you take a close look at the viewport, I hope you guys can see it. And if you're now wondering, well, why this has dynamic snow? Why is there snow falling in the background? Make sure to check out this video here where I show you a really nice plugin for stuff like this: snow, rain, sun, clouds, everything you need to know to get really awesome looking lighting.